watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this video is all about differentiate between Nutzen and Benutzen in German language. This is the most problematic thing where students do stuck out. So yes, here we are with the proper differentiate video. I hope you're gonna enjoy. I hope you're gonna learn. It's gonna be super duper interesting. Do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to subscribe. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So yes, without wasting time, let's get started.
Difference between Nutzen and Benutzen. The first difference is Grundbedeutung, means the basic difference and what do they mean. And the first verb is Nutzen. Nutzen is used to make use of something. It often implies benefit or optimization. It means it's about taking advantage of a situation or resource in a productive or strategic way. For example, wir sollten die Zeit sinnvoll nutzen means we should make good use of the time. Second verb is benutzen. It means to use something, typically a tool or an object, and in a more functional or instrumental way. For example, ich benutze jeden Tag den Aufzug means I use the elevator every day. Now what you have to do, just think of Nutzen as a profiting from and Benutzen as using like a tool. Second is level of abstraction. It means Nutzen is used for intangible or abstract nouns like Zeit, Chance or Vorteil. For example, konnte seine Fähigkeiten optimal nutzen means he was able to make optimum use of his skills, and Benutzen is used for tangible or physical objects like Geräte, Werkzeuge or Möbel. For example, sie benutzt eine neue Software zur Bildbearbeitung means she uses new software for image processing. Now the rule of thumb is if you can touch it, it's more likely Benutzen. Third, style and register. It means Nutzen often used to sound more formal, academic or refined, and it's common in writing, speeches and business contexts. For example, wie können wir diese Ressource effizient nutzen means how can we use these resources efficiently. And at the same time, Benutzen is more neutral or colloquial. It's used in daily conversation and less formal contexts. For example, kann ich dein Handy kurz benutzen means can I use your cell phone for a minute. Next difference is emotional or social connotation. So Nutzen can also imply using someone's skill or connections but in a less offensive, more strategic sense. For example, nutzt ihre Erfahrung im Projekt means he draws on her experience. And Benutzen is used with people often implies a manipulation or exploitation. For example, benutzt sie nur für seinen Vorteil means he is just using her and like emotionally negative. So the tip is never say ich benutze meinen Freund unless you want to sound harsh. Use ich nutze seine Hilfe instead. Next difference is on the basis of prefixes and verb formen. So, Nutzen is a base verb, it's cleaner, used more flexibly in noun forms and compounds. For example, in present you can use ich nutze, du nutzt, and in perfect you can use ich habe genutzt. And Benutzen is a prefix verb, it means the verb is Nutzen and be is the prefix, which usually makes the verb transitive and object focused, and the prefix be implies of doing something to the object directly. So in present it will be ich benutze, du benutzt, and in perfect it will be ich habe benutzt. Another difference is on the basis of passive and reflexive formen. So Nutzen works well in passive constructions and is common in academic writing. For example, die Gelegenheit wurde genutzt means the opportunity was seized or the opportunity was used. And Benutzen, this also works in passive but sounds more technical. For example, die Toilette wird gerade benutzt means the toilet is being used right now. And now let's see some typical combinations. So for Nutzen, you can use Zeitnutzen, Chancennutzen, Energienutzen, Ressourcennutzen, Vorteilnutzen or Wissensnutzen. And for Benutzen, you can use das Handy benutzen, einen Regenschirm benutzen, den Computer benutzen, den Fahrstuhl benutzen and ein Programm benutzen. So what you can do is use collocations to sound more natural and idiomatic in German. Substantive Ableitung means noun derivatives. So from Nutzen you can make der Nutzen means benefit, profit or utility. Then nützlich means useful and Ausnutzung means to exploit or to take advantage in a negative sense. For example, welchen Nutzen hat dieses Projekt? And from Benutzen you can frame die Benutzung means the act of using, benutzbar means usable or Benutzer means user, for example a computer user, and a sentence can be Benutzung nur mit Genehmigung. Next difference on the basis of synonym and Unterschied. So the synonym of Nutzen is profitieren or Ausnutzen. But remember, Ausnutzen is often negative. For example, nutzt sie aus means he is exploiting her. And Benutzen, so the synonyms are verwenden or gebrauchen. And the difference is verwenden is more neutral or formal and gebrauchen is slightly old-fashioned. And remember that verwenden can often replace both Nutzen and Benutzen, especially in written grammar. But verwenden is more a synonym for Benutzen. The last difference on the basis of Redewendungen means idioms and saying. So Nutzen is often found in idiomatic expressions. For example, eine Gelegenheit nutzen means use an opportunity or seize an opportunity. Or etwas zu seinem Vorteil nutzen means to use something to your advantage. And benutzen is not typically used in idioms, it's more practical.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are an expert of and now you can easily differentiate between Nutzen and Benutzen. Thank you so much for sharing. Lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Children, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.